Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this AI app builder, which is Bubble and Softgen. So I'm just quickly going to dive into it to help you decide which of these AI app builder can be a game changer for you. So let's dive into it. Talking about Bubble offers a powerful no-code platform perfect for building full-featured web app with deep customization plugin and a scalable workflow. It's great for startup that want full control and flexibility, but it comes with a steep learning curve and a higher pricing as a project grow. Now, talking about Softgen, on the other hand, focused mainly on AI-powered app generation, letting you create functional app quickly by describing your ideas in plain English. It is very fast, easier for beginners, but it offers less customization and control. So in my own opinion, you can go with Bubble for complex build app, or yes, for complex AI building app, and choose Softgen if you want speed and simplicity. That's just the difference between the two. If you want everything with maximum speed, just go with it. Go with Softgen. And that's all I could say. I hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.